So this is the first pair. Really happy with the coverage I got here. It's really nice, smooth. So this is a semi-gloss. The only trouble with these ones here is that they were pretty heavily pitted. So when I sandblasted them, I didn't use too much of a brush on them. So I got some of this sort of pitting effect as a part of that, but you can get that with paint. So particularly on this side here. But all in all, really happy with the coverage. It's got right up in that those crevices there. It's covered these treads really well. Really good coverage. I wouldn't say I can't really see any orange peeling on here at all. So orange peeling, if you're unfamiliar with it, that is where it looks like the texture of an orange. So that can be because you're holding it a bit too close. It could also be surface. Every time I've looked it up, there's huge amounts of information about what it could or could not cause it. So I guess I'll learn over time. But yeah, I'm really happy with how they've turned out.